YAHAWAH, BAHASHAM, YAHAWASHI, BAHASHAM, RAWCHAA, QADASH. The one is to GMS who told me this truth. 2 Thessalonians 2:4. Who opposeth and exalteth himself above all that is called God, all that is worshipped, so that he as God sitteth in the temple of God, showeth himself that he is God. So we have a story which is this CRISPR researcher says gene editing isn't playing God. So let's jump into this. So CRISPR, the gene editing technology developed by researchers Jennifer and Emmanuel, who won the Nobel Prize for their achievement, is a remarkable, almost otherworldly innovation. The tech's applications, both imagined and already realized, are nearly endless, building on decades of research in the field of gene therapies and officially unveiled back in 2013. CRISPR allows researchers to alter and repair genes in virtually every living thing, humans, plants, and animals, all included. It's had incredible success fighting genetic afflictions like sickle cell disease and could even be a helpful ally in fighting against climate change. But by the same token, CRISPR raises serious ethical questions. It paves the way to profoundly altering ourselves, other species, or even entire ecosystems. Like many other powerful and complicated tools, in other words, it has a bit of a PR problem. Genetic manipulation, after all, has remained a steady narrative driver, and often a cautionary one. In the realm of science fiction, and the onset of gene editing in practice into hyperdrive by CRISPR's success has spawned a number of valid concerns. Some wonder whether expensive designer babies, genetically engineered by the 1% to become the next athletic superstar, or top model, or Albert Einstein, will soon inherit the earth. Others wonder if gene editing is one of mankind's many ways of playing God. Again, certainly all valid. Game-changing advancements in the health sector, in health tech and elsewhere, should face interrogation, especially in areas that are not only likely to have a profound impact on the future of medicine, but which still trail a sordid, complicated past. But at the same time, some of the critics, particularly the playing God argument, so often invoked against gene editing tech, might actually be distracting from its real available and very much life-saving applications. It's not a question of whether CRISPR is the right tool. Dr. Eric, Executive Director and Chief Scientific Officer of the Gene Editing Institute, says, I think those of us who contribute to this field aggressively believe it's the right tool, but now, he continues, the real challenge is how do we use it properly. So they say that they're not playing God, but that's exactly what they're trying to do. Shalom.